How to connect Vantage to Tradingview. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to connect Vantage to the Tradingview. So this process is quick and straightforward, so ensure that you watch the entire video to avoid any missing crucial steps. First of all, you have to open a Vantage account if you don't have one already, and if you do, sign in and you will land on the home page similar to the screen you see now. Here, you can click on either Open Live Account on the homepage or navigate to the Account Center, and then after, click on the Open Live Account highlighted in orange color. Click on it. Upon clicking on, you will need to pick a trading platform, typically between a MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, with the MetaTrader 5 being the more popular choice. Next, you have to select a TradingView as the account type. Select TradingView as the account type and choose the account currency after that, such as USD, GBP, AUD, or EUR. So we'll go for USD. Then after, check this box of terms and conditions and then click on next. Note that you may encounter a message like mine stating that you can't apply for another account until your ID is verified. For the first timers, this process will create and link your account with the TradingView, resulting in the similar interface. If, like mine, you face an issue due to the unverified ID, simply follow the prompts to verify your ID by uploading the necessary documents. Click on the verification option over here and then enter the correct form of your information and verify your ID by uploading the necessary documents. And once completed, you will gain the option to connect to another TradingView account within the Vantage. So that's how you can link the Vantage to TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.